Selling a home is a big decision. Add a divorce into the mix, and it can definitely feel overwhelming. If you're in this situation, you might be asking, where do we even start? Trust me, you're not alone. I help people in Raleigh and surrounding areas like Cary, Apex, and Wake Forest navigate selling their homes during divorce, and I'm here to break it down for you. Here's where to begin. Step one, get on the same page. I know it's not easy, but communication is key. Decide together whether selling is the best option. If you're unsure, I can help you evaluate your situation and explain the pros and cons of selling versus keeping the home. Step two, understand the market. This is where having a local expert makes all the difference. I'll provide a personalized market analysis to show you what your home is worth right now and what you can expect to net after selling. Raleigh's real estate market is unique and timing can be everything. Step three, plan for the process. Selling a home during divorce involves more than just listing it. You'll need to coordinate showings, handle repairs, and navigate closing details, often while managing emotions and schedule. My job is to make the process smooth and stress-free for both parties. And finally, step four, think about your next move. Whether you're staying in Raleigh, heading to a nearby city like Garner or Holly Springs, or starting fresh somewhere new, I'll help you map out what's next. Your next chapter should feel like a step forward, and I'm here to make that happen. Selling a home during divorce doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right plan, the right guidance, and someone who understands what you're going through, you can move forward confidently. If you're ready to talk about what selling your home might look like, send me a message or give me a call. Together, we'll figure out the best way to get you where you need to be.